Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated iPad mini 7. Apple has once again captured our attention with this compact powerhouse. So let's explore what makes it stand out in a crowded tablet market. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or just someone who loves consuming media on the go, the iPad mini 7 promises to deliver an experience that's hard to beat. First off, let's talk about design. The iPad mini 7 sports a sleek, modern aesthetic, with its edge-to-edge display that makes everything pop. Weighing in at just under a pound, it's incredibly portable, making it easy to slip into a bag or carry around. The aluminum chassis not only feels premium, but is also sturdy enough to withstand daily use. And those vibrant colors? They really bring your content to life. Whether you're watching movies or scrolling through photos, you'll be amazed at how vivid everything looks. Now, let's get into the performance. The iPad mini 7 is powered by Apple's latest A15 Bionic chip. That's right, this little device packs some serious punch. With this chip, you can effortlessly multitask, run demanding apps, and even enjoy some light gaming. Imagine editing photos in Procreate or running multiple tabs in Safari without a hitch. The performance is smooth and responsive, ensuring that you can tackle any task you throw at it. One of the standout features of the iPad mini 7 is its display. The 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display provides stunning visuals with true tone and a wide color gamut. Whether you're reading an ebook, watching your favorite show, or browsing social media, you'll appreciate the clarity and detail. And with a peak brightness of 500 nits, you can enjoy all this even in bright sunlight. Perfect for outdoor use. But what about the cameras? The iPad mini 7 is equipped with a 12MP rear camera and a 12MP front camera, both capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. The front camera even supports center stage, which keeps you in the frame during video calls, making it perfect for both work and connecting with family and friends. With improved low-light performance, your photos will look great even in less than ideal conditions. Battery life is always a concern, especially for those of us on the go. The iPad mini 7 boasts up to 10 hours of battery life on a single charge. Whether you're binge-watching shows, working on projects, or simply browsing the web, this tablet is designed to keep up with your lifestyle without needing constant recharging. And when it's time to charge, it supports fast charging, so you won't be waiting around for long. Now, let's not forget about the accessories. The iPad mini 7 is compatible with the Apple Pencil 2 and the Smart Keyboard Folio, which opens up a world of possibilities for productivity and creativity. Whether you're jotting down notes, sketching, or typing up a report, these accessories enhance the versatility of the Mini, making it a great tool for anyone looking to get more done on the go. In conclusion, the iPad mini 7 is a remarkable tablet that combines power, portability, and stunning visuals. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable device that can handle anything from casual browsing to serious productivity tasks. If you're in the market for a new tablet, the iPad mini 7 is definitely worth considering. So, what do you think? Is the iPad mini 7 on your wish list? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and insights. Thanks for watching.